In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify playlist is empty. If your playlists suddenly show up blank or refuse to load, it's usually a quick fix. We'll start inside the app, clear out the temporary files that can cause display glitches, then restart the app, and only if the problem sticks around, we'll reinstall Spotify for a clean slate. First, open the Spotify app on your device. Tap your profile icon, which you'll find either at the top left or top right corner, depending on your version. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. This is where we can adjust the app's behavior and storage. Taking a moment to get to the right menu ensures you don't chase the issue somewhere else. Next, scroll down until you see either storage or data saving and offline. Different devices may label this slightly differently, but you're looking for the section that manages how the app stores temporary files. Tap Clear Cache. Confirm if you're prompted, and then give the app a moment to finish. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can become outdated or corrupted, which is a common reason playlists appear empty even when your account and internet connection are fine. This won't affect your saved library or your account. It simply refreshes the local data the app uses to load your content quickly. Once the cache is cleared, fully restart Spotify. Close it completely so it's not running in the background, then reopen the app. This restart forces Spotify to rebuild its temporary files and recheck your playlists from scratch. After the app launches, head back to your playlists and see if they now load correctly. Often, this simple refresh is all you need. If your playlists are still empty, go ahead and reinstall the app. Uninstall Spotify from your device to remove any lingering corrupted files. Then open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Spotify, and reinstall it. When it finishes installing, open Spotify and log back into your account. A fresh install replaces all the app components, which can resolve deeper issues that a cache clear can't touch. Once you're signed in, your playlist should repopulate as the app syncs with your account. That's all it takes. By checking settings, clearing the cache, restarting, and reinstalling only if necessary, you cover the most reliable fixes without overcomplicating things. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.